Orlando, Florida, United States. An automatic plots sonnet in the Italian style. A, investigating a psychic problem, finds that he must place his faith in so-called automatic writing. B, is unaware of the fact that she is the victim of egotistical self-deception. B, in order to escape annoying manifestations of love, resorts to simulation. A needy young artist with an ordered picture left on his hands discovers that the picture is a map locating buried treasure. A, dabbling in things he does not understand, seeks to accomplish wonderful results. B, in order to keep the wolf from the door, finds work in a laundry, but tells A she is working as an art director. B, displeased with the work of a sculptor, A, destroys a bust in an angry outburst. A, an artist, is hired by B to paint a miniature, and into the miniature he is to weave an intricate series of lines which constitute a concealed map of great importance. C falls into the trap and cannot escape. D is ultra-modern, and her father, A, is ultra-old-fashioned. C overhears A practicing his marriage proposal to B. D, impelled by an unusual motive, invents a fictitious character. F, long mysteriously missing, returns to his old home as an unknown and discovers that his daughter D thinks him dead and believes his character was noble. F, shambles away as an unknown. F, a fictitious character, comes to life and falls in love with B, and they marry.
Cristina Vignocchi, Sant'Andrea Pelago, provincia di Modena. Benvenuti a Dogville, parrucchieri sovietici. Vi ho visti in ordine sparso nel refettorio dell'orfanotrofio per allievi, come rossi cappelli infeltriti. Anche tu, musico di talento, posticcio sbarazzino, imbarazzato per tutte le occasioni. Raccoglitori disfatti per ordinare umanità sola, raggrumata ad intimo riconoscimento. In voi spicca la natura padrona che vi nega, bella e potente più di ogni sola umanità. Imbarazzante nella sua grandezza la percezione non circoscritta. Cronaca del paese dei balocchi, 2006.
Va bene Cristina, non era perfetto, però può andare. Grazie. Va bene, ciao.
My name is Denis Bellet. I come from Quebec City, Canada. And my poem is called Les mémoires scandaleuses d'une scie sauteuse. Alors, quand j'étais une jeune scie sauteuse, aucun ne me résistait. Aucun mal ne me résistait. Alors, dis-je, quand j'étais une jeune scie sauteuse, Oui, quand j'étais une jeune scie sauteuse, je me faisais sauter par n'importe qui. Terminé.
Vai, puoi cominciare.
Hello, this is David Beeman. I am in Statesboro, Georgia, near Savannah, Georgia. And this is a poem based on the concept of a tweet, which is a telephone message composed of exactly 140 characters and spaces, no board. So the tweet poem is the electronic descendant of the sonnet and the haiku. And this poem is inspired by Leonard Cohen's I Wonder How Many People in the City. The title of the poem is Cityscape. Everyone in this city is texting. I watch them on my street. They peer back at me from taxis and buses. They look down. I know they are condensing me to a 140-character tweet.